How you doing, everybody? Welcome to the channel. Just thought today I would do an unboxing of the Emax Easy Pilot. Got this a while ago but been busy and the weather's bad. I would like to try this outside. The space I have isn't really suitable for flying inside, so I'll have to wait until weather's a bit better and then we can fly this outside. Today I'll just go through an unboxing, what you get with it, and just have a general look at what the drone is and the controls and the goggles. So let's get it open. Okay. One of the extra things that I bought was this, and it's a X6 1S charger, and you can charge 6 batteries at once. You only get one battery with this, and I have loads more ordered, and I've been waiting weeks on them coming, so hopefully eventually they'll get here. So I thought that was a necessity. That is the battery that comes with it. emax 1S, 4.35 volts, 80C to 160C, 450 milliamp. You can buy these reasonably cheap from anywhere. And that's, as I said, I've loads ordered because you only get maybe 4 minutes flight time, so you'll need plenty of batteries. So first bit, let me see, screwdriver. This is the charger that comes with it for one battery. You just plug it into USB and away you go. It takes a while to charge the battery, but it is what it is. And we get some spare props, and let's see, put that over to the side a bit. This is the quad. It's similar to the Tiny Hawk in shape, size. The props are on the opposite way than the Tiny Hawk. Anyone that's looked at that, they'll see that Tiny Hawk's is underneath, but they're ducted. There's the camera for the FPV. Actually quite a good camera. It works reasonably well. And there is the antenna for your signal. Battery connector. The battery just slides in, and make sure of it the right way around, and then just pushes together, and you see starts flashing. Once you bind, you get a solid light. So why would we do this? The bit. Take the battery back out again. So that is the quad. Just throw it back in there. What else we get? So controller feels okay in the hand. Sticks don't feel too bad. There's some trim buttons, and what I can say is I have had this, I've tried it at home, and the trim isn't great. I've tried getting it, I just struggle trying to get it to stay perfectly straight and level. But as I say, with the battery and with the space in here, I'll wait until I get some good weather, and then we can really try it outside, get some good flights then. But it has a rechargeable battery inside, and you just plug it in. There's the cables with it, and you just plug it in, charge it up. Really useful as well. And let me see, antenna, goggles, that's your charging cable. You get some stickers if you want to put them on the drone, but I don't think I'll bother with that. Let me see. So this is the battery for the goggles, and it's 3.7 volt, 1800 milliamp, and same as the controller. Uses this, charge it up. Couldn't be easier. You don't need to run and buy batteries. Obviously you'll need the 1S ones for the quad, but for the controller, for the goggles, comes with battery. Really, really handy. So set that aside. Box goggles. You can't record DVR or anything with these. They're basic box goggles and one antenna. It's not for getting real good cinematic video. It's not for big distance. It's to learn how to fly FPV, and that's one of the main reasons I bought it up. Upgrade at a future stage if I ever get any good at it. You just put your antenna on, does the job. We'll have some buttons for the channel frequency. You can move the screen inside depending on your vision, either close or near. So we'll put this battery in. So as you can see, it's a good tight fit. The goggles aren't too bad. There's a bit of light leakage, but for what you pay for the set, you can't really complain. And then there's a hole here that plugs in, and hopefully you see that's the screen inside. They're comfortable enough on your head. Well, what I'll do, I will connect the battery and let me see. And that is the view you get with the camera. It's pretty good, and when you have it on, you can, let me see, under here you can see, I can see my hands at the minute. There's a good bit of leakage from the light, etc. I feel across here digs in a bit into your head, but it's not, for what you pay, it's not too bad. They're really not, and everybody's head isn't the same shape, so what do you do? So that was a quick video just looking at what you get in the box with the Easy Pilot from Emax. Not a bad beginner setup, and hopefully I'll have plenty of fun with it, as long as the weather doesn't stay the way it is for too long. It's been snowing, and if you've seen any of my other videos, you've seen how much snow and wind and rain, everything else we've had here. So if you like this type of thing, please like and subscribe to the channel, and when the weather changes I'll have some good footage from outside, setting it up and learning how to fly, and more than likely crashing quite a lot. Thanks for watching. Bye.